Welcome to Sessions Health Tutorials. Hello, fellow therapists. I'm Ian, a practicing psychotherapist, and I use Sessions Health each day in my own private practice. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at administrative notes. Administrative notes are notes that non-clinicians can add to a client's chart to leave important information that the clinician or other staff might need to know. To add an administrative note, when you're in the context of a client's chart, from the Summary tab, you can click the Add button and then click Administrative Note. You can change the title to whatever you want, or you can leave it as a default Administrative Note. Clicking a Sticky Note option will make it a yellow sticky note at various places on the client chart, and we'll take a look at that after we create this note. And a simple administrative note might be something like, please check on insurance, and we'll click Save. And now, because we made this administrative note sticky, we can see that it appears in a highlighted yellow color, much like a sticky note at the top of the Summary tab. If we switch to other tabs within the client chart, we can see the sticky note still appears at the top right side of the screen. One other place that the sticky note will appear will be on the appointment pop-up for a client. So if we go to the calendar and we look at appointment for a good person, we can see the sticky note also appears on the pop-up. So any administrative notes that have also been made sticky notes will appear in key places on the client's chart and appointments. If we need to edit a sticky note, we can edit it from any place where it appears. So in this case, we can click Edit, and maybe I want to put in a note that says, checked this morning. And I can click Save there, and now that note has been updated. If I want to remove the sticky note completely, I can just click Archive, and now the sticky note is gone. We keep a record of all those sticky notes, so they can be retrieved, but archiving a sticky note will remove it from view. Now, if we go back to the client's chart, we can see the sticky note is not present here, it's not present here, but we can come back to administrative note and add another one. Administrative notes don't have to be sticky notes. We can also just add a comment and click Save. And then we can see that administrative note now shows up in the stream of notes on the Summary tab. We can expand it to see more or show less. That concludes the administrative note tutorial. As always, if you have any questions for us, please reach out to us at support@sessionshealth.com.